Hi, it's Mike from GROWMAX Water, here today to show you how to change out the filter cartridges on our GROWMAX Water reverse osmosis systems for hydroponics and gardening. We have three systems: the PowerGrow 500, the MegaGrow 1000, and the MAXQUARIUM 0 ppm. All the units use the same filter cartridges. PowerGrow has 1 sediment and 1 carbon. The MegaGrow has 1 sediment and 2 carbons. And the MAXQUARIUM has 1 sediment, 1 carbon, and 1 deionization post-filter. First thing you always want to do when you're changing out your filters is turn off the water. This releases the pressure, so you can disconnect the tubing from your unit like this. Okay, take your unit, take your filter wrench, untighten with the filter wrench each housing. The rest you can do by hand. Okay, take both off. So, take out your sediment cartridge, which normally will be dirty, will be brown color from all the dirt it's collected, means it's working. Put in the new one. Take out your carbon cartridge, put in your new one, and tighten them back up. When you put your filter housings on, you don't need to use the wrench. You should just tighten them as far as it will go. Tightening by hand, that should be enough. Okay, reconnect your tubing, and you're set to go. Okay, in another video we will show you how to change out your membranes, but you see, to change out your filter cartridges, pretty simple. Okay, thanks for watching, and grow it to the max with GROWMAX Water.